So, hello there. Today we are going to do the simple past tense. The simple past tense is a verb tense used to express actions that started and finished in the past or habitual actions in the past. So, let's start with the structure. The structure depends upon the type of sentences. For affirmative sentence, simple past tense follow the subject plus verb plus object pattern. Example, I watched a movie last night. She cooked dinner for her family. They played in the park all day. Negative sentences. Negative simple past tense are formed by adding the negative auxiliary verb did or didn't to the base form of the verb. The subject still comes before the verb. Subject plus did or didn't plus base form of verb plus object. Examples, I didn't go to the party last night. She didn't cook dinner for her family. They didn't play in the park all day. Interrogative sentences. Interrogative simple past tense sentences are formed by inverting the subject adverb. The auxiliary verb did is used for regular verbs and the past participle is used for irregular verbs. Did plus subject plus space form of verb plus object. Did you go to the party last night? Did she cook dinner for her family? Uses of simple past tense to describe completed actions in the past. I watched a movie last night. To tell a sequence of events in the past, I got up, had breakfast, and went to work. To report on past events, the news reported that the president gave a speech. To ask questions about the past, what did you do yesterday? To express habits or routines in the past, I used to go to the park every day after school. To describe a state of being in the past, I was tired yesterday. The words ago, before, yesterday, and similar expressions are known as time adverbials or time expressions. They are used to indicate the time of an event or action in the past. When used with the simple past tense, these time adverbials typically come at the end of the sentence. Here are some examples of how to use time adverbials. I went to the park yesterday. She moved to London 2 years ago. He finished his homework before dinner. I didn't see the movie, but I heard it was good a long time ago. In addition to the time adverbial listed before, there are many other common time expressions that can be used with the simple past tense. Here are a few more examples. Last week, last month, last year, last night, in 2023, on Tuesday at 10 a.m., 5 minutes ago, etc.